The girl whom I am in a relationship, she has a past with emotional attachment, and also I don't like she talks to boys in response to boys chat with, and I feel stressed. Should I marry? Please, please help. Whoa, what? यो ब्रो, तू पता है वो आदमी नहीं होता जो सीढ़ियां चढ़ता है पहली के बाद छठी, छठी के बाद दूसरी, सातवीं, आठवीं, 10वीं, लाइक तू सिर्फ सीढ़ियां कूदने में विश्वास रख रहा है ब्रो. चिल द फक आउट. एक एक करके लेते हैं. फर्स्ट, you are in a relationship with a woman. She has a past with emotional attachment. Okay, she has a past and there is emotional attachment there. First of all, that has to go away. If like this is true for both men and women, right? Women tolerate men like this all the time. Oh, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I want to be in a I'm not the relationship kind. No, he's lying to you. He's lying to you. He is the relationship kind when he meets the right woman. You guys are not fitting together and he's lying to you. Okay? So in this case, it's the same. I still have an emotional attachment with my ex. Figure it out and then come to me. I have stuff to do. I'm busy. Both ways. There is a lie that exists both ways, okay? And I don't like that she talks to boys, bro. Now, this is a very tricky thing in response to men. Because I understand where the insecurity comes from. Right? I understand that. But bro, like 50% population मर्द हैं bro. क्या would you want? For her to not talk to 50% of the people ever on this planet? That can't happen. So this is a more nuanced situation. You have to understand अपने relationship के context में कि किस टाइप की बातें हैं वो. Where do you draw the line? And then when you figure out कि देखो भाई ये line है मेरी, ये line draw मैं कर रहा हूँ, then you have to go tell her, listen, this is the line I draw. If you cross this line, you may still be in the right. It might still be moral. It won't sit well with me. मेरे लिए वो ठीक नहीं रहेगा. Right? But you have to do it in a very unemotional way. You have to be very clear in your heart about it. Because अगर तुम ये वो वाली गेम खेल रहे हो ना कि मैं इसको बोलूंगा ये मेरे लिए काम नहीं करेगा और इट विल वर्क एज अ धमकी, तो तुम बहुत बुरी तरीके से हारोगे वो गेम. बहुत बेइज्जती करवाओगे अपनी. अगर if you try to use that as a threat, no bro, you will lose. So be very realistic. Be very realistic. ये मेरी लाइन है, ये क्रॉस हुई, I will not play, I'm sorry. You cannot use that as a threat. It has to be said as setting boundaries. Bro, ये मेरा गेम है, इसके रूल्स ये हैं मेरे एंड से. Right? And then should you marry, bro? I think you should definitely wait because there's a lot to unpack here. Like you have to get rid of at least 8 out of 10 problems that exist in your relationship before you get married. Like getting married is a pragmatic decision. It's not an emotional decision. Please be careful with this. Do not get married just because your emotions say so. It's the worst thing you can do.